let's check the house. I just arrived and last night it got really late. Everything got later, the airplane, the immigration and so on. So I was happy when finally the taxi driver, who was talking forever, got me to the place. I went to bed and just passed out. But this doesn't look too bad actually. It looks really nice. Oh, look. I don't even know if this is the correct way around. It looks nice. Alright, so what do we have here? Some art. Actually, I want to buy some. This could be nice for my wall, but maybe a little bit more recently made. I like this. The marble, it's actually matching. Oh, fantastic. That's not even cold. That's warm water. Actually, it's not surprising because it is really warm. The day before I left, it was a severe heat warming. Oh wow, maybe I should have taken this room, huh? That's amazing. Okay, at this price, guys, fantastic. Like, this is amazing. The new Cuban revolutionary. I guess they looked a little bit different at the time. Not sure if I can hold up to that promise. But I feel pretty revolutionized when I'm in this beautiful house. On the street last night there were actually a lot of these. I mean, there were almost no cars in the street. Like, really no cars. Maybe I saw about 5 or 6 on the 30-minute drive to come here, which is due to current concerns, current affairs, and the current climate. But when you see one, you will see one like this or like this, and inside they have a new engine, usually a Japanese one, and like a 50s or 60s exterior, and then mixed together they drive just fine. And they're spacious, like this one was the one that I came here with. Man, really cool. Alright. Let me grab this water because, man, is it hot. It's really, really warm. I wonder what this does. Maybe it's good to hang your keys, but not to put down your stuff because it falls off. Some beautiful landscapes. Maybe from Cuba, or maybe not. We'll have to find out if we find something as beautiful as this. By Hinadeo. On Cuba or not? Let me see. So let's go into the saloon. Okay. Nice. Solid revolution cutlery. I like it. And there's actually some art on these cups as well. What do you think of this? The Woman and the Wolf. And it says Leo. Like, it shouldn't be a wolf actually. It's a lion then, I guess. Oh, that one's interesting. Almost looks like a photo with an AI filter. But I don't think that's what it is. More water, right. Next to this interesting wheel. It's a wheel of a ship on the outside with one of the studs missing and a watch on the inside. It's almost like the time in Cuba runs slower, I would say, a lot slower. It feels like we're frozen in time. And here I can adjust it to the time I want it to. Or maybe not, I don't want to break it. It's kind of cool. And again, a woman surrounded by nature. In this case, it's a little more lovely than the lion. Looks like birds and a tree with flowers and fruits, like the luscious past, or the lush. I think it's called the lush dreams of the future. I like these. Could be the art that I take home. Could be one of these, or that I send to you. If you like it, let me know in the comments, because I want to get a big piece of art for myself, and I want to get one that I send to you, the 50 followers or so that I have. And if you write the right thing in the comment, I'll think about it. But if you write it, you enter the lottery of probably 2 people, so you have 50% chance of winning some of Cubans' art. Because I want you to keep watching these videos and to explore the world with me together and benefit. And tell your friends, maybe that's the idea. You actually have to tag your friend, and your friend has to comment the thing that it's about. Okay, I will think about what it is, but yeah, we'll get there. Buenos días, don Humberto.
¿Todo bien?
Todo muy bien. Su casa es una maravilla.
Gracias.
Y también es como súper para explorar. That's my host, and he was really tired last night, I think. And you speak English, right? A little bit. But you write just fine. On the phone, it's okay.
You use traductor. I write in Spanish.
Okay. He uses Google Translate. So, tecnología funciona.
This is your...
Para esto, para el video, sí, porque creo que ahora empieza la aventura de Cuba.
Pero es tuyo, el sombrero es tuyo.
No, es tuyo.
Ya. Dime.
Porque necesito, la verdad, hoy necesito buscar esto y gafas, porque lo olvidé en el avión.
Te lo puedes quedar con él. Te puedes quedar con ese sombrero.
No, busco uno. Pero quizás,
puedes
gracias.
tomarlo si quieres.
Wow.
Ya, en 2 minutos tienes el café.
Listo, perfecto. Okay, in 2 minutes I have the coffee ready. Amazing! And actually I'm still locked up because I forgot where I have my keys. Don Humberto,
Sí.
estoy en el cárcel aquí porque ahora no sé dónde tengo mis llaves, allá arriba, pero usted tiene también.
Aquí no la tengo.
No, okay. No hay problema. Okay, I forgot where I have them. I was just, tired last night, and now I have to look for them upstairs. But he said, no, he does not speak much English, and yes, I can keep this to wear if I wanted to today. The thing is that I lost my... Oh no! Ooh, look at that. Where did this gecko come from? I love geckos. Fucking hell, that's amazing. He's already hiding. Ah, there we go. Oh man, that's a nice one. It has the really transparent skin. You can almost see like the organs on the inside because it has this different coloration. Man, I love them. I love geckos. Now I'm happy. This is an amazing start. I will get the coffee from Don Humberto. I already have the Cuban hat, and I need to get sunglasses and a SIM card. Hey buddy, you're coming out of your hide? Looking for a partner? Oh man, look how it walks too. Like an S shape. Cool. So, you see guys, my heart is happy here in Cuba. If now I find the keys, life is perfect. But yeah, right now I'm in prison. I'm in la cárcel. I'm imprisoned. Let's see if we have them in our not so revolutionary clothes that I got from the shopping mall before I left. But I got them. Actually, the alternative way out is up here. I haven't even tried this yet. Yeah, a little bit squeaky but stable. Hello? Oh wow. Would you look at that? Oh wow, that's amazing. Okay. I think this is a great place to have a coffee. That's also pretty cool art. Especially if you have something outside. Or maybe a sunroom where there's a lot of light and then you replace one of the windows with this. That would be amazing. I don't though. So unfortunately this is not what I'm going to be buying. But it seems that it's very popular here. That's really cool. Doesn't look like that's been used in a while. Ah, that's where the doggy lives. Where's the doggy? I heard that there's a doggy because Don Humberto said that he was taking out the dog this morning. I don't think this is where I came from. That's not where I came from, but it is definitely an entrance. I guess there are two entrances. Ah, maybe one. Oh, look at that. That's so cool. And then I came in the other one that's somehow somewhere else. Estoy perdido. Estoy perdido ya. Y anoche ya estaba preguntándome, I was wondering, how do I get to the room? The camera already overheated. It's really hot here. It's 10 a.m. and it's like already close to 30 degrees. So, wow. But let me show you what I found. This is so funny. This artist has a lot of humor. A Picasso-style lady, very voluptuous. A few ladies together. A beautiful woman here. And I think this also Adam and Eve with the snake nibbing the girl in the butt. How funny is that? I think that's hilarious. Again, the snake. Snake looks a little more friendly here, a little bit more naughty, and this one, fantastic. I love it. And yeah, so Humberto just explained to me that I can go out here, I can go out the other way. So let's do that. I will show you how to get outside the other way and give you a real round tour. So here there's another seating, and all this for just 20. That's amazing, isn't it? Let's see, which key is this? One maybe here. Yeah. Actually no. Whoa. Can't be this one, because this one is the one for downstairs. This one doesn't look like it would fit either. Oh, so now I might have a problem. Ah, fantastic. So I don't have internet now. Oh. I'm screwed. So we'll have to try something else then. Oops. Oh. I can't get in. Doesn't open. Humberto! I'm locked outside of my own house. Come help. He's left. He has to take his son, I believe, to the doctor. No way. Oh. Wait. It wasn't locked the whole time. I may have to cut this out, or I will look like the idiot that I truly am. So, going downstairs. Ooh, this way with feet first. This is really steep. stepping on the revolutionary clothes. Back to the sleeping, where the bathroom was, where all the old vintage American cars were. And here we are. Wait. Oh my god. This is typical classic me. I already don't know where I have the keys. Oh, here. And this should be the one. Ah, yes. Okay. All right. Buenos días. So, I can already get some food. I can just hop over the fence to the neighbors and ¿qué vende? ¿Puedo ver? Estoy haciendo un video ya para mis amigos. Ok, quizás tiene algo para el cabello, gel. No, gel no tiene. Sí, porque eso era demasiado grande y lo tenía que dejar en el aeropuerto porque no te dejan llevar cosas grandes de gel, porque si son líquidos no se puede llevar, por eso. Pero bueno, ok, siguiendo. I am looking for gel because I had to leave it at the airport since I can't bring anything that's bigger than 100 milliliters as anywhere. So, yeah. And here we are back. So this should be this one then. The third key. Nice. So now it all makes sense. Bueno. Okay, let's head out because I have to find breakfast. I have to charge my phone with data. And then I want to go see the city so that the exploration of Cuba can begin.